My name is Mariella Madaleska. I'm the Director of Education and Conservation at Mystic Aquarium. I'm here to tell you about the Animal Health and Veterinary Science course my colleagues Dr. Maureen Driscoll, Dr. Laura Thompson, and I will be hosting this summer. The core of the program will take place here at Mystic Aquarium, where students will have the opportunity to utilize the aquarium as a living laboratory. The hands-on course will have students learning from and working alongside aquarium research scientists, veterinarians, veterinary technicians, and animal rescue professionals. Students will learn through case studies of animals at Mystic Aquarium, including beluga whales, penguins, seals, reptiles, and fishes. The primary areas of study in this course will be genetics, hematology, microbiology, pathology, and anatomy. These labs will explore how each discipline contributes to the study of marine animal health and sustainable populations. Along with the Focus Science Lab, students will have the opportunity to participate in the behind-the-scenes tours of Mystic Aquarium, including the new state-of-the-art Weeder-Hold Animal Care Center and Mystic Aquarium's research labs at UConn Avery Point. We hope you will join us for this exciting exploration of animal health and veterinary science.